OK，10.6啊，brain and our senses. Fill in the blanks again. So, Jim is a goalkeeper. The what in his eye detects light. 咁啊，佢眼睛嘅咩嘢去探測嗰個嘅光線㗎？應該非常直接喎。Sensory cells。OK，記唔記得有兩隻嘅咧？好啦。From the ball 探測嗰個波反射過嚟我哋眼嘅光啦，之後會 send 信息，將嗰個信息咧 send 去邊度啊？應該好易答啊！呢個都 to the brain。The brain and then integrates 啊，組叫做結合或者累積咗嗰啲嘅資訊啦。咁但係除咗累積同綜合之外咧，其實都做一樣嘢個腦，就係分析interpret 去詮釋下個信息係點樣，詮釋下個信息係點樣。Interprets the information received. It produce then it produce the sense of 邊兩樣嘢去，即係咯 ，produce 邊個唔係 sorry 應該話 produce 邊一個呢個 sorry 啊，應該塗咗佢。OK。produce 一個 sense 嘅，咁嗰個 sense 應該係眼睛喎，梗係 sight 啦。然之後咧，有呢個嘅信息去到腦度之後，個腦就再幫你乜嘢 to do 啊？去幫你決定啦。Decides what to do. The brain send message to the 咁你決定完想做乜之後咧，其實好快佢又會再 send 信息俾一啲嘅嘢啦。而嗰樣嘢係會收縮喎，收縮得嚟可以幫阿 Jimmy 去決定去容讓佢跳啦，容讓佢接個波啦，即係做一個嘅反應。咁 send 去邊度咧？即係咁能夠收縮嘅喺上面可以揀嘅，咁梗係 muscles 啦。OK。好 ，true or false？考試嘅時候，我哋嘅大腦就會負責諗嘢，諗下個答案係乜嘢啦。就好似呢啲題咁，好似你依家咁啦。咁究竟係咪大腦 cerebellum 幫手諗咧？梗係啦。Number 2，our reaction time is inborn 係即係一出世與生俱來係點就點噶啦，幾多就幾多啦，唔可以改善嘅。咁呢個就絕對係錯噶啦噃。咁我哋都知道好多專業，譬如專業嘅車手一隻 Formula One 嗰啲啦，或者一隻比賽嘅車手啦，或者係運動員啦，佢哋都會有經訓練咧，係個 reaction time 去減少嘅。OK，inhaling solvent 吸入一啲溶劑可以導致 brain damage， 非常直接啦，書都有寫啦。TFT。OK，a Mary hears her phone ringing， 聽到佢個電話響之後就攞起個電話。咁請問你頭先依個過程啊，阿 Mary 個腦去偵測到個刺激嘅時候，同埋做一個嘅反應嘅時候，其實係經過咩步驟咧？或者咁講，經過邊啲 organ 咧？邊啲嘅部分咧？身體咁應該就先聽到就係 ear 啦，跟住就傳送信息去腦度先得㗎，因為收到信聽到嘢啦。傳送腦度，最後先決定拎電話，咁梗係要啲 muscles 啦。哎呀，串錯字 muscles 啦。OK，咁所以當然 in the arm 嘅 muscle 啦，用隻手拎啊嘛，係咪？咁所以答案就會係 C。Next， 大腦 cerebellum 邊個資訊係正確嘅 ？Protected by the skull 係啦，頭腦幫我哋保護住啦。largest part of the brain 腦嘅最大嗰部分梗係啦，如果乜點會叫大腦咧？第三 responsible intelligence 係個智力係靠佢嘅，冇錯，所以 A、B 1、2、3都啱啦 ，D 啦。In the diagram 有兩條線 A 同 B 啦，好似 B 長啲喎，係咪啊？但其實唔係喎。In fact they are the same length。佢就話點解會係咁嘅咧？係咪 A 啊？我哋嘅眼睛嘅 sensory cells 受到破壞咧，咁應該唔係啦。B， 我哋嘅視神經 optic nerve 受到破壞都唔係噃。Brain interprets the messages wrongly 係啦，個腦咧錯誤地去詮釋咗個信息。 有個錯覺個頭同尾唔同咗，就令到有個錯覺好似 B 線長啲啦。咁所以答案已經係 C 啦。OK，我哋睇埋 D 就係我哋嘅眼有限制，其實係嘅，眼有限制，但係呢個並唔係解釋呢個狀況、呢個情況嘅原因啦。OK， 係 true 嘅，但係 irrelevant 喺度 ，true but irrelevant 唔關事啦。irrelevant。OK， which of the following are 或者 is the effects of drug abuse 唔好啊 drug abuse 一齊企硬唔聽嘢。causing illusion 導致幻覺啦，咁呢個成日都聽噶啦，啱。lowering our ability to judge 我哋判斷力減少下降都係啱啦。shortening our reaction time 我哋嘅反應時間會短咗喎，哇反應時間短咗咪即係仲快啲個 reaction time 應該係遲鈍咗噶嘛，梗係錯啦，咁所以答案係 boy 啦。OK，structure question。好，咁呢度呢個實驗咧就書裏邊都有啦，亦都喺堂上咧應該玩過噶啦。咁就係跌落嚟嘅時候咧，咁一個同學就揸住去隨時放手，另一個同學就擺定隻手喺度，隨時一放另外一個同學嘅時候，一放手佢就夾住啦。咁就睇下個距離係幾多。咁就有4個同學做咗呢個嘅實驗啦，玩咗呢個遊戲啦。每人係玩咗3次嘅，最後係攞咗一個平均數出嚟，最大22.7，最細係16.5 cm 嘅。好。咁佢就話啦 ，state the purpose of 兩樣嘢喎。請問你重複呢個實驗嘅量度做2次嘅原因係咩咧？同埋點解要計平均數咧？其實要計平均數同埋量度2次嘅原因咧，就應該係為咗點啊？減少出錯啦，個出錯減少嗰個 error。但係咩嘢嘅 error？就係量度嘅時候嗰個 error。Reduce the errors in measurement. OK, what's the meaning of the term reaction time? Reaction time 咩意思啊 ？It's the time taken to 係嗰個咩嘅時間咧？去 respond to a stimulus 對個刺激作出一個反應所需要嘅時間就係 reaction time 啦。OK。好 ，state the relationship between the distance that the ruler drops and the reaction time 啦。請問你嗰把尺跌咗落嚟夾到，但跌咗落嚟嗰個距離同個 reaction time 有咩關係啊？咁就應該係個距離越點啊？個距離越短嘅話咧 ，the shorter the reaction distance 就代表佢個 reaction time 越短啦。OK， 中文就咁短啦，但係英文就要 the shorter the distance，the shorter the reaction time。好，最後 D part。Among the 4 students， 邊個有 shortest reaction time 咧？咁應該睇翻個距離邊個最短咧，就應該係16.5嗰個，亦即係Annie 啦。full stop，記得加 full stop 啊，同學。OK，that's all for 10.6。